Everyone tells you to stick with GitHub Copilot because it's safe. They're wrong. In 2026, safe means slow. And in this industry, slow is a death sentence for your productivity. For years, we treated AI as a fancy autocomplete. But the game has changed. I've spent the last 6 months stress testing every major AI agent in production environments. From refactoring legacy monoliths to shipping new microservices from scratch, I've seen exactly where Copilot hallucinates and where the new guard actually delivers. Today, we're killing the giant. We are pitting GitHub Copilot against Cursor and Windsurf to see which one actually writes production-ready code. I'm going to show you why the autocomplete era is dead and why agentic IDEs are the only way to stay competitive. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool to install to stop fighting your editor and start shipping faster than you ever thought possible. Let's be honest, you've been using Copilot for years. It felt like magic at first. A few tabs here, a snippet there. But lately it feels stale. You're not coding anymore. You're babysitting. You ask for a complex refactor, and it gives you a generic suggestion that doesn't even understand your project's architecture. You end up spending 20 minutes fixing the shortcut it just gave you. That's not productivity. That's a liability. This is the autocomplete trap. You feel fast because you're typing less, but you're actually creating more technical debt. While you're stuck in this loop, the industry has shifted. We've moved from completion to agency. Copilot is a passenger. It suggests the next word based on a limited window. But the new breed of tools, they're the driver. They don't just suggest a line. They index your entire repo, map your dependencies, and actually execute a feature across 5 different files simultaneously. If you're still relying on a tool that only sees the file you're currently in, you're not just falling behind. You're essentially coding with a blindfold on. Let's be real. GitHub Copilot is a fancy autocomplete. It's essentially predictive text for your codebase. But in 2026, we don't need better predictions. We need execution. The industry has shifted from AI assistants to AI agents. An assistant suggests a line of code. An agent builds the feature. This is where the giant started to stumble. First, let's talk about Cursor. Cursor isn't a plugin. It's a fork of V's code. This is a critical distinction. Because it owns the IDE, it can index your entire local codebase. When you ask Cursor to refactor the authentication flow, it doesn't just look at the open tab. It scans your schemas, your middleware, and your API routes. It doesn't give you a snippet to copy-paste. It writes the diffs directly into your files. That is the difference between helping and engineering. But then, Windsurf entered the chat. If Cursor is about context, Windsurf is about the flow. It introduces agentic capabilities that make Copilot look like a calculator. Windsurf doesn't just write code, it interacts with your system. It can run the terminal, see the error, and loop back to fix the bug without you lifting a finger. It's a self-healing development loop. So, why is Copilot now the worst choice for a pro? Because it's a passenger. Copilot is fighting against the limitations of being an extension. It's limited by what the IDE allows it to see. Cursor and Windsurf Asterisk are the IDE. They have a direct line to the file system, the terminal, and the LSB. For production-ready code, context is everything. If your AI doesn't know how a change in your user schema affects your payment gateway and your front-end hook, it's just guessing. And in a production environment, guessing is how you get paged at 3 a.m. Copilot guesses. Cursor and Windsurf Asterisk know. One provides a suggestion, the others provide a solution. If you're still relying on ghost text to build your apps, you aren't leveraging AI, just typing faster. If you're still relying on basic autocomplete, you're losing hours every week. I've put the direct links and the best current deals for Cursor, Windsurf, and Copilot in the description below. If you want that true agentic workflow, where the AI actually understands your entire codebase instead of just the open file, Cursor is the move right now. The results are undeniable. Since switching, I've cut my boilerplate time by 60% and shifted my focus back to high-level architecture. Stop playing it safe with legacy tools. Upgrade your stack, grab those links below, and if you want to keep your edge in the 2026 job market, hit that subscribe button. We break down the tools that actually get you hired and promoted. Now go build something.